In this video, I am giving you exercises regarding improve your inspiration and expiration of your lung. I am showing you first exercise. It is called deep breathing exercise. In this exercise, you have to inhale through your nose. First, you have to place your hand on your stomach. First, you inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Second, I am showing you. During this exercise, you don't have to elevate your accessory shoulder muscles. You just have to relax your shoulder elevators. During inspiration, your stomach will go out, and during expiration, your stomach will go in. Breathe in through nose, breathe out through mouth. This is your first exercise. Okay. Then the second exercise, this is called pursed lip exercise. In this same way, we have to do inspiration through our nose. Take a deep long breath, take a deep long inspiration through your nose and exhale through your mouth like you are blowing the candle. I am showing you again. Breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. This is your second exercise, pursed lip exercise. Okay. Now in third exercise, we have to use like this. We can use towel or any dupatta. You have to place this thing around your chest. I am showing you from the side. Okay. You have to place this dupatta or this thing on your rib cage, on your lower ribs. Okay, this is your side view, and from the front, this is like this. You have to place like this in cross manner. Okay. In this, first you have to do inspiration through your nose. Take a deep long breath and breathe out through your mouth. In this, while we are expiration through our mouth, you have to forcefully pull this towel like outside this way. You have to pull gently. You have to pull this towel outside in cross manner, and this will help your forceful expiration. Okay. Now fourth exercise. This exercise is called butterfly exercise. This will do this in standing position. You have to place your both the hand behind your head this way. Okay. And first you just have to breathe in through your nose, and while breathe out, you have to go down. Breathe in through your nose. Take a long deep breath and breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. I will show you this in side view. You have to do combined movement with your both the hands, and do the upper back movement also. Okay, thank you. This is called 3-ball spirometer. How to use this machine? This will improve your inspiration exercises. Okay. You just have to put its mouth in your mouth, and you just have to breathe in. You have to suck the air in your mouth. Okay. Just do it. Okay. If this 3-ball spirometer is not available at your area, you can use straw also. You just have to suck in the air. You just have to suck in the water. You just sip the water by the straw. You just have to suck in the water. This will also improve your inspiration. Okay, thank you. Last exercise. We are using here the piece of the papers. Okay. This exercise will improve your expiration. Okay, with the help of the 3-wall spirometer, we are improving our inspiration, and this exercise we are doing the expiration exercises. Okay, you just have to breathe in through your nose, and first, if your expiration is very low, expiration capacity is very low, you can put this piece of the paper thing nearer to yourself. Okay, and you just have to blow the pieces of the paper this way. Okay, and progressively you can just make the distance more and more. Okay, I'm showing you in the side view. First we will do first with the near distance, like this way. As your expiration capacity will improve, you can make the distance far. You can place this piece away from you, this way, like this way. Okay, thank you. If you find my information very useful to you, do like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you.